Most coaches don't struggle because they aren't good at coaching. They struggle because everything around coaching starts taking over. Tracking notes, remembering client goals, preparing sessions, and keeping up with progress across multiple people. If you have 10, 20, or 30 clients, that's a lot of information to keep organized. Today, I'm showing you 5 practical ways Claude AI can help coaches save time, stay organized, and create a better experience for their clients. Let's start with goal setting. Most clients don't arrive with perfect goals. They usually say things like, I want to get healthier, I want to grow my career, or I want to become more confident. Those are great starting points, but they aren't a clear plan yet. Here's where Claude can help. Give Claude the client's goals and ask, I have a coaching client who wants to lose 30 pounds, advance at work, and reduce stress. Turn these into measurable 90-day goals with weekly milestones. Claude helps turn scattered ideas into a structured plan you can actually work from. You still provide the coaching experience. Claude just helps organize the roadmap. Next is session preparation. This is where coaches lose a lot of hidden time. After each session, paste your notes into Claude and ask it to summarize the biggest wins, challenges, commitments, and patterns from the conversation. Before the next meeting, you can ask, based on these previous notes, what are the most important areas to focus on today? Instead of searching through old notes trying to remember details, you start every session prepared. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Every coach eventually works with someone who feels stuck. They say they want change, but they keep missing the goals they committed to. Instead of guessing what's wrong, ask Claude, my client keeps missing their commitments even though they say this goal matters. What coaching questions can help uncover the real problem? Claude can help you create better questions that open conversations instead of making someone defensive. Next, progress updates. Many coaches want to send weekly or monthly summaries, but writing them takes time. Give Claude the client's goals, progress, challenges, and wins. Ask, write a motivating progress update that celebrates improvement, acknowledges challenges, and gives clear next steps. Now you have something professional and personal in minutes. And number 5 is where coaches can really start building better systems. Claude can help create your coaching toolkit. Client intake forms, discovery questions, worksheets, checklists, and session templates. Ask Claude, create a one-page intake form for a career coaching client focused on confidence and leadership. Claude gives you a starting point. You customize it, improve it, and make it match your coaching style. And that's the important part. Claude doesn't replace great coaches. Your experience matters. Your relationship with your clients matters. Understanding people matters. Claude simply removes some of the busy work so you can focus more energy on actually helping people. The coaches who grow in the next few years won't just work harder, they'll learn how to use better tools. If you want more practical Claude AI workflows for everyday life and business, subscribe so you don't miss what's next. See you tomorrow.